Hi guys, today's job is replacing this battery. This is a 2017 CRV, so I think it's the same from 2017 to 2025. And you can do this, I think, with one 10mm wrench. So the first thing that's got to come off is the negative terminal. And it's the last thing to go on when you put the new battery in. Now you can do this with a ratchet. I have this gun. And there you go. Negative terminal with a 10mm. Now this is a guard. Okay, we see we have the same deal here. 10mm. This is the positive terminal. Okay, and then we have the guard. This thing I think just pulls up. There we go. Now we have the hold down strap. I know I said guard. This can be done with a wrench, it just takes longer. We just lean down and unhook it and move it over here. So now the battery is sitting in here. And I'm going to tell you, I've hurt my back pulling this particular battery out before. You have to make sure the cables are out of the way or you'll just jam yourself in there. And that's it. Now there is a fabric cover that goes around the battery. So we're going to take this battery back to Costco and, see how we do. I'll get back to you. So this is our new battery. It's a Group H5. They might tell you that you need a 51R, but the H5 is bigger. This is a Kirkland battery, and I was told today that it has a 36-month limited warranty. My last one was 36 months old, and I could do a free exchange, so Costco has changed the return policy. Just an FYI. The first thing we're going to do is put back on our foam cover. That's sort of an insulated foam cover. There, we're good. Negative side towards the windshield. I'm going to start with placing my hold down strap on. This is our hold down strap. First thing you want to do is under the wire. And it's got little hooks here. These usually go out. Okay, there's one. Okay, we're good. So I'll put my two fingers under here and we're just going to tighten it up. Now these are actually quite important because they keep the vibration of the car from ruining the plates inside. So it actually prolongs the life of the battery. So if you don't have this, some places won't give you a warranty. Now this black plastic cap just goes right back on. Now we only have our connectors. Positive, then negative. Pull off the plastic thing. That's garbage, so you don't have to worry about it. You don't want to make sure these are clean. Mine are greased and clean, so there's no problem with them. Good and snug. I'm happy with that. I'm running in one of these issues where my battery is slightly different than the other one, so I'm going to have to loosen this. And think for a second. Okay, so I've run into a problem here. And the problem is this handle here is not allowing me to put this on in the right orientation. This is a slightly different battery. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the handle off. Okay. So I'm going to put this handle in my glove box in case I ever need it. Yep, there we go. Nothing is ever easy. In order to make this fit, I had to take the handle off because it was interfering. So Costco has come up with a new style of battery and it's been a pain. So let's keep going. That was exciting. I still haven't tightened up this because I want to make sure that everything is okay with the hold down strap before I do. So we're just hooking it up again. There's one side. Okay, good, good. We'll hold it up. Okay, hold down strap is good. Positive is good. Let's check that again. Positive is good. Now we just have to hook up the negative. Now I did reroute this wire underneath. So all we basically have to do is tighten up here and there. Looks good to me. I'm going to double check them all with a ratchet just to be sure. Looks good. There you go. I'm happy with that. So in the interest of full disclosure, this piece here was facing over here. So I put a pick from underneath, undid this connector, and moved it over this way to take the stress off this wire. Since these are no longer coming straight back, where they were here, coming straight back, which is how the factory was, I put a tie wrap here to hold them into place. That way I'm sure there's no stress on any of these wires. So if you use a Group 54 of the new style from Costco, take the handle off and everything should fit fine. But the gold handle is my real problem. So I've changed the battery, and what you're going to find out here is every light is going to be on the dash. Everything. And that's normal. I'm going to try to show you this, but as we go down the street, all these lights are going to reset. There you go. Everything is gone. To extend the life of your battery, it's best practice to charge it with a charger first, if you can.